Dear connection, today we will discuss about one more important Power BI trick, and it is also a very important scenario-based interview question. Many Power BI developer lacks this thing. So let's jump into our Power BI. Oh, before jumping into our Power BI, let me show you the client requirement in my notepad file. So in this video, the client requirement is like in the particular Power BI report page, there will be one filter with unit. There will be one matrix. In that matrix, column will be blank, but in the row section, country name will be there. And in the value section, carbon consumption per capita, this is a column. This thing should be there in the value. And in on the top of this matrix, there should be a dynamic title, and the format will be this one, like carbon consumption, and in the first bracket whatever the unit is selected in the filter or slicer, it should be shown here. So let me go into my Power BI. At first, let me show you the dataset. Here I took a simple dataset by writing fictional data into my Excel sheet. Don't take it seriously, it is a fictional data. Okay. So here country column is there, year is there, carbon consumption per capita is there, and units are there. There are three types of unit: liter, metric ton, and joule. Okay. And as per the client expectation, I created a filter which shows all the three units. And in the metric section, in row there is country, in row there is country, in the column there is sum of consumption combined, sum of carbon consumption per capita. Okay. So now let me show you the title, but this title is static. If I show you in the title, it is just a static title, it is not dynamic. Like if I click on any other also, data will be changed, but this thing, like the title, is not changing. So what we need to do here, in this case, we need to write a dex measure for it. So I already written. So basically this is the dex measure. If you want, you can pause my video and take a screenshot, but please practice. Okay. So I will create a new dex measure here. So the dex measure is, I gave a meaningful name, carbon consumption matrix title. Then I declared a variable called selected unit. I declared a variable called selected unit. Whatever the unit, like metric ton or liter, will be selected here, it should return the static value. This is a static value, carbon consumption first bracket. Then it will print whatever the selected unit is, then first bracket close. Very simple. So now what we need to do, we have to click on this matrix visual, click on this format your visual option, then general. Under this title, as you can see in the title, there is a if conditional formatting option is there. Click on this fx. Now here, from here you can search. The name is carbon. Yeah, see, carbon consumption matrix title. I will click on here, then click on OK. Yes, it came. Now let me show you the magic. Now I will select joule. See, all the value change and title also change. Now I will select liter. See, the value changes. See, the metric ton changes. So like this way, you can make a dynamic title for your matrix visual or any other visual. Thank you.